Alright, this is my really upgraded HARO 200.1, which no longer has brakes anymore. We're going to start from the front to the back. Start out with bars. These are the Sub Rosa Pandora bars. They are 8-inch high, and I cut these down to 25 wide. ODI long neck grips. Great grips, I love them. These are the S&M Matt Behringer bar ends in gold. This is like a giant stem from an old giant bike. It works good, so it's all good. And then forks, stock HARO forks, and the rim is some rim that like pretty much matches my back. Now the tire is a Walmart tire because it works. Not too cheap. I'm gonna get some Maxxis tire soon. Steel peg. I'm getting kink light pegs. And then cranks are some generic chromoly ones. Pedals are Odyssey twisted PCs. Sprocky Balboa sprocket. Mechanic chain. Half link. This is kink seat post. Mechanic seat. I got this one from Core German. BMXer. It's awesome. FBM hub guard. 14mm. And then Mission React hub. The black sheep rim. Double wall. Sealed cassette hub. It's a great rim. And can the contact tire in the back, which is shit too. And I'll do a hub sound now. That's it. Thanks for watching.